Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing. Just a quick update. The gold market's still moving. I got to unload this truck, so this is just going to be very short. But I've been telling you the last few days, gold's a phenomenal option right now, and it's been cheap. I think you guys should be buying these dips. I mean, right now it just pumped up from the bottom. It's coming to overhead resistance now on gold, but you just ran up $79 an ounce, so that's a pretty good run up. But the mining stocks have been down 30 to 70% in a lot of cases, right? Even though gold bullion itself is only down from its recent and all-time high, it's only retraced to the bottom. It's retraced just about 20%. So technically a correction, right? But gold went down 19%, and the mining stocks have went down 30, 40, 50, and even 60 to 75% in some cases. I've been telling you on all these dips, it's phenomenal buying opportunities in the mining sector, or if you're willing to buy and hold, or even like the last few days. On a combination between B2 gold and Fortuna silver, I had two positions and made a combined about 14%. And then I sold out of those positions yesterday, and I bought Wheaton precious metals, and it's up a little bit today. It's up about 3% since I bought it. But here's what I'm playing in Wheaton precious metals. We've had this, what looks to be, if you look up a cup and handle and a textbook cup and handle, right? It's a continuation pattern within the direction the price was moving. And you can see in Wheaton precious metals, the price was trading up till January 2011 after the last financial collapse, right? And then the Fed came in and the dollar went up, and gold and silver and the mining sectors had a 10-year bear market, right? But a cup and handle, you have a pump, and then you have a rounding bottom. That a cup and handle usually takes years to form and can be multiple year patterns. They're not short-term patterns. They're very long-term continuation patterns within the overall pattern. The overall pattern's been up in Wheaton precious metals, right? Then you came off that huge pump, and over a 10-year span, you traded down, crashed, and then formed the rounding bottom, right? Like a cup. See that? This is your cup. Right? Your cup. See that? That's your cup. And then your handle is right there. That's what a cup and handle is. Your cup. A big rounding bottom over 10 years. And then you got the top of the cup being this trend line right here. The neckline of the cup, which is right about there. And this is a 10-year pattern. And you crashed and you went down from your peak in this cup 79%, right? But then you had look how it's formed a perfect cup. It's a big rounding bottom over a 10-year pattern. Then when you break up and you start trading up and you re-break the old high, right? See how you re-broke the old high? Now, what happens on a cup and handle, you need the handle. And the handle usually forms a falling channel from its recent pump up. When you finally re-broke after you were down 79%, made a new all-time high. Now, the handle is you back test the cup neckline right where you're at now in a falling channel, and then you back test this line. And then if you break up out of that and you hold support, you can confirm the cup and handle move, right? And the targeted move out of a cup and handle is from the bottom of the cup to the top of, a quote unquote, the neckline to the point of the breakout. And the point of the breakout would be right here. Or over more, but I'm keeping it out of the way just to keep it right. But there's where the point of the breakout is from the neckline, right about there, right? And that would be from the breakout line, a 70.19% move, almost the exact correction you had. But that is what a cup and handle is. That's a prototypical, if you Google cup and handle, it's a continuation pattern. And in this case, the price was going up for multiple years. So it's a bullish continuation pattern, right? And that is a true cup and handle. And they are usually multi-year, in this case, a decade long. They're a macro continuation pattern or the big time frame, the monthly time frame, the multi-year or decade time frame. And I believe this is a cup and handle. But what I'm playing right now is this. After we got rejected off the top trend line, we had a violent rejection, right? See that from off the top there, right about $46 here and back of that, right? And then we came below the neckline. But now we're getting bought back up, and we're trying to sneak with the recent run in gold up to the neckline, and then we consolidated. And I think this is going to break back up above the neckline and above the moving averages, and then ultimately retest this $45, right? So that's the short-term play that I'm playing, and I see an upside potential of 13.69%. So that's what I'm playing. I'm not a financial advisor, nor do I play one on my own radio show. This is strictly educational. Thugs this, y'all. Trading alert, not entertainment only. Peace and love. Peace and love.